Hi guys, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, it's Princess Queen V, and on today's tutorial I'm going to show you how I created this beautiful silky low band. So if you want to learn or you're interested in finding out how I created this beautiful gorgeous silky low band, so please continue watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're actually new, and if you're a subscriber, thank you very much for tuning in. Okay, so at the beginning, just to make everything clear, my hair it's a relaxed texture. I've been relaxing my hair for a while right now, if I would say, because basically I prefer relaxed hair over natural, because my hair it's quite difficult to handle when it's not relaxed. So let's begin. So as you can see, my hair is already washed, so I'm patting it into a curve style. I'm trying to create a curve style because for me straight line for me it's boring, I would say. So what I do first, I start adding a little bit of water just to make everything more silky instead of just feeding my hair with so many gels. So now what I'm adding, I'm putting my Eco Styling Gel, and I'm starting from the root of my hair, like more from the front part, as you can see right there. This is just, I find it more easier to silky my bun, so it's just one of the best tip I will give you. So apply your gel directly at the front, as you can see, more from the root or from your edges, and keep on doing that, as you can see right there. And now I'm using the comb just to lay down all my hair back, and I prefer not to tie my hair into a ponytail first, because I think it's quite much easier if it's not tied in already. It's just much helpful because the hair is loose at the back, you can control it, you can play with your edges or your hair just to make it as silky as possible and lay everything perfectly, so that later when you're tying the ponytail, most of the hair are already laid down, laid back, silky, without struggle. As you can see, I'm just trying to play with my edges a little bit, like my front part, just to put it in the position how I want it to be. And yes, thank you guys for watching. This hairstyle that I'm creating now, this silky low band, this is like my got-to-go style. Like if I don't really have much time to pay so much attention, like to do this kind of complicated hairstyle, so I prefer just doing a low band. It's just silky, easy, simple, natural. It's not complicated, it doesn't require a lot of time or a lot of energy. That's all. You just need gel, bottle of water, and comb, and a rustic band to tie your hair, and that's it. You need some kind of like extensions, like depends on you. I basically prefer having extension on and just rub it, because my hair is not that quite thick. Like naturally I don't have much volume hair, I would say, so trust me. So basically that's why for me putting a little bit of extension and just rub it, it's just so helpful. So to make it shine, I'm adding my olive oil from Pantene, so just to make everything silky, more silky, just and give it a little bit of more shine, as you can see right there. And to lay my edges perfectly, I would say, what I do, I took my brush and I'm dipping it in a gel, in my Eco Styling Gel, and I'm laying all the baby hair plus my edges, like everything as possible, as I want it to be looking like. Girl, if you want to silk your ponytail, you better keep on watching. I'm not kidding ya. Just look on that edge, like how gorgeous is it, how silky it's starting to be. It's so great. And this is why I prefer having relaxed hair texture, because it's just so easy to handle. Like you can put your hair in a ponytail, silky ponytail, as I'm doing right now, and it's just so easy, I would say. girl, look at that. That's what I'm talking about. But if you prefer keeping your hair natural rather than being relaxed, it's just okay. I would say it depends on your hair texture. But mine is not a joke. Having a natural, just to comb your hair, you're like already starting like feel like you're gonna cry. Okay, so now I'm braiding my remaining hair, as you can see right there, just to put it in small band, like very tiny, so that it will be easier for me to wrap my extension around it. So I don't like using bobby pin, like I say, because it's easy for me to catch headache. So I just wrap the weave around the band. And that's what I'm doing. So now I'm going to just continue back and forth, like as you can see, just rolling around the ponytail, just to make it so secure without using a bobby pin. Okay, so you just continue doing the same thing, as you can see there. Just keep on rolling it like that. And I just use a small piece just to secure the ponytail, as you can see, and that's it. So if you want to leave it like that, for example, and go, it's just so cool, you can go like that. But I'm trying to do here, I'm trying to create silky low band. I don't want to have a ponytail in that time, you know what I'm saying? So now I'm twisting the hair, the extension, I'm twisting it a little bit so that it will be just easier to fold it like that, and that's it. And to secure it, I'm putting a rubber band just to finally secure everything, like at the end, and that's it. So now I'm going into my Got2b Glue volume spray just to set this hairstyle, because I'm basically gonna wear my hair like this probably for 3 days. So just to make it secure and stronger, like it will not come out easily. And I'm putting that scarf just to lay everything and wait for 10 minutes and remove, and everything will be dry and so perfectly. And guys, that's the final. Tell me what you think about this silky low band tutorial that I have made. I hope you guys learned something from it. I hope it's helpful, and that's the outcome, and that's how it looks like. That's the end, and it's so beautiful. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate y'all. And please, if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. See ya.